Hey, that's how you do it, Dixon.
You would not want to buy that after him, would you?
Woo! Is that the biggest rut you've ever seen? Huh? Wow. Just caught me knee on bloody bank. Get them knees tucked in, lad. Right, have you noticed anything different about the bike? That's right. Astra bars. Jarvis bend. You can get them at Enduro tyres now, thanks to them for these. Got PCT suspension in front. He's just done a Fox service for me. Whoa! Thanks to him for that. Just getting them dialed in a bit, just get a feel for them. Woo! A little bit of extreme. Oh no. Oh. Not set up for that. Extreme! Oh no. Oh no.
That's a proper fix-it job.
Yeah.
Okay.
You. Whoa! It's beauty. Woo! Dixon! In the air! Oh! Some of that, please. Yes, please. Can you handle it? It's dancing. Woo! Too much back brake on that. I'm losing control. Hell, fire. That was sick. Yes, lads.
Better?
Yeah, that was better. Scenes, absolute scenes on this Sunday morning. Sticking with second gear. Oh, lovely. Beautiful. Something cool now. Just keep following it, Dick said.
Well, do we want to be up the actual river? Do you want to be up the river?
I think it'd be too overgrown. Follow the path. Yeah, follow the path. Yeah. Testing for Erzberg. Sorry about my gay little noises. You jumped the whole lot, Dixon. He balled it. Oh! Yes, Dixon! It looks nothing, but it's so hard to ride. You can't see any of these holes in it. Yes, Dixon! That was sick! Yeah, is the away through? Oh, that looks sketchy. I'll have a go at what you did. I don't even know if I could do that. That was sick. That was impressive. Did you load it up at bottom, Dixon? Have you? Cookie's quick on these bits. We're in it. A lot less water in it than last time I was in it, that's for shizzles. Feet up at the moment. That's cost me though. Had a dab. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have another one here, yeah. Oh no. Hell, I'm not in shape for that. Oh, this is so good in here. Woohoo! Gorgeous has gone down road. Final section, it's me and Cookie. Watch them trees, you're on the oh, bad line. It's tight in spots like. Got away on me here. Reeling him in. Oh, where's he gone here? Off piste. Ah! That's definitely it for this ride, right? We're back on the vlogs, but like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Get some Astra bars at endurotires.com. They are sick.